Alrighty, I'm way up here in Bellingham, Washington, talking to my camera. I got something on the trailer on the back of the truck here, but it's not mine. Are you good with being on camera?
Yeah.
Okay. We won't focus on you, but... So, my buddy Michael here, who I work with, just bought himself a really cool 67 Ford Fairlane that we're going to drag home. It runs and drives. They drove it here from their house. We drove it up on the trailer. It's unrestored. Where was it? I'll have to put you down for a second. It's a 390 car with a 2-barrel and a C6. This is the same year and possibly the same color as Kevin's Fairlane originally was. The wheels, you know, not so much, but little rubber stoppers missing or something.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah,
yes.
see the hole there. Yeah. So, interior's a little dirty, but it'll clean up. So, now looking at the speedometer, for what it's worth, if you notice, the 1 is a little bit lower than all the other numbers.
Yeah.
That usually means it's rolled over. If all the numbers are perfectly straight, then it's original. But once they roll over, you're always going to have 1 or 2 numbers that are a little off. So it's probably a 140,000 mile car. But
that's about right.
But I mean, for the overall condition, this thing is pretty darn nice. I did drive it around the parking lot here, and it's drum brakes all the way around, no power brakes. Galaxie 500. Dual exhaust. I'm guessing that's a 9-inch Ford rear end. I don't know, but it looks like it's a junkyard unit. So I think the 9 inches were all your carrier section bolted from the front. And I can't really see what's on the trailer here. Dual exhaust, factory manifolds, decent tires, Firestones. This trim piece came with it, although it's a little mangled. I won't say what he paid for it, but it was, in my opinion, a really good price for a running, driving car, a classic car. Yeah, seats are showing their wear. Like I said, it's original. This is the cool part. Watch how easy these doors close. Just like that. That's both doors. 390. Good glass. I guess you got one good rock chip here.
Yeah, there's another one over there.
Yeah, there's no cracks. So, cool. Now we got to strap her down and work this thing to get her all the way home. This is about 4,000 pounds from what I looked at online, plus 2,000 for the trailer, so 6,000 pound load. What's that? Yeah, let's do 8 or 10, so we're good. So, alrighty. Thanks for watching. Even if it is a Ford. Oh. See? Had to get the Chevy out to rescue yet another Ford.
Found on the road.
Found on the road. Leftover rebuilt Dodge.
There you go.
Driver returns on foot. Alrighty, I'll stop now. Bye. Brand new 67 Galaxie.
Over all the way to Linwood. It seemed to me like mine was starting to do that.
Later. Cool car. Sounds good too. 67 Galaxie 500 with a 390 and a C6. And that's going to conclude this video. I have to go home now. It's probably 4:30, 5 o'clock. Got miserable traffic to deal with. And yeah, so thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Y'all be good. Bye-bye.